And I'm making slime today. Went to Barnes and Noble. Wait, here's looks. And there's a neon ooey gooey fun and neon and glow. I have to do a second part tomorrow because this takes like a million years to dry. So let's get started. So I have the 15 mLs. I think I pour in here, right? Let me just check on this.
To the bowl.
To the bowl. I pour in the bowl.
Scrape it using the spoon.
Scrape it in using the spoon. And wait, I think I'm almost done. So I've got the 10 mLs.
And then 30.
So there's, God knows what this is for, and there's paint, slime activator, glue that I just poured in.
30 mLs of water.
So 30 mLs of water. Which one?
That one.
This one? I'm just gonna
Look at the numbers.
Okay, let me look at the numbers. So 30 mLs. So I think I can read this. I'm not blind today, so I'm gonna pour this in. Wait, why is there? I don't know. I'm just reading the instructions. So I wonder when the slime activator comes in.
Use the colors.
So I couldn't use
1 spoonful of colorant.
Colorant. Here's colorant. Glow. I'm using glow. Okay, guys. My mom's instructing me with this, so yeah, but so I'm just gonna need a spoonful. It has glue and everything all over. I think that's supposed to work. The hardest thing ever. So now I'm gonna put it in here, I guess. I guess I have to. Where do these come in? I don't know. Touch glue water. Okay, so
Use the stick. Use a stick. Yeah. Mix
To
it all
mix?
up. Mix it all up.
mix in.
Okay.
Wait, I just spilled some. You can kind of see right here. I spilled some right there. You can see a little bit stain. Okay, the first thing. So now I'm just gonna mix. I wish I could do a time lapse, but I don't know how to do that. So I guess I have to just mix till. I'm gonna do a time lapse.
Blend it.
Huh? So when I do time lapse, this thing makes it go faster. But until then, I'm just gonna do slow. We'll actually try to do it fast. Without you trying to spill out.
Fully blended. Go ahead and add 5 mLs of slime activator.
5 mLs.
Yep. And use your cup to measure.
Slime activator.
Make sure it's open.
I wonder if they use this in Kids Choice Sports. If you watch that, you can watch the recording if you even record
Careful,
it.
don't get it in your eyes.
Oh, what? Oh, yeah. So you can use 5 mLs of slime activator. So now I have to do that. And I'm just going to tell you the new Minecraft video that's coming up is not going to be a Minecraft video. But I may need to. I think I'm blind. I think I'm blind, guys. I really don't know. I think I'm blind. I really can't find this. Wait, I'm going to use a medicine thing because I'm a.
Take it.
I guess.
Measure to 5.
Kaiser. Wait, what time's the 5 now?
Up to the number 5. Careful not to get it on your hand.
No, why? Will it turn to slime?
Here, let me see it.
Yeah.
You got 5?
Just about right.
Perfect. Okay.
So now I pour the slime activator.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I got my hand. I wonder
With the glue and stir it. You're supposed to stir it.
Glue?
No. Stir it, yeah.
This might take a few minutes.
It says do not use your hands.
Of course, why would I use a hand? Oh, it's actually working. Hallelujah. have to do this a lot in Kids' Choice Sports, I'm thinking. I can't. Oh, I really didn't read the instructions, but it takes like a few minutes to make. Oh my gosh. This is so chunky. That's slime. I wonder how the kids did this in Kids' Choice Sports. It was so chunky. No, I think they gave it. But we, huh? So now I can take the slime. Ew, this thing's so sticky. Ew, oh, I like it. It feels wet. It's just wet. This thing's so sticky. But, can I stretch it? It breaks, of course. Maybe I should get some more slime. This thing's gonna take like a million years to get out of my hands. But, I don't know. So now I can slide this out of the way. I may use this in like tomorrow's video. Tomorrow's vlog I'll use it. Jesus Christ. I have to go wash my hands right fast, so.
See you next time. See you next time.
I'll do the pink. So wait, I need to wash my hands. Okay, this thing's the messiest. My hands have been so messy. It's the messiest they've ever been. No, probably not, but. Okay, Max, now I'm going to do this again, but with pink.
15 mLs of glue.
Of course, the 50. It's a little watery.
It's okay. So it's halfway. 15 mLs is half.
I can't see the numbers. We have to use this.
That one's not going to work. Just use that one. Go to half. Go to the
I
halfway.
can't see the numbers at all.
We should mark it with the pen next time. Put it down flat.
Right?
Here. There you go.
I can't really see.
15 is half. Fill it halfway.
I kind of. I really don't know. Is this like halfway?
Let me see.
Is this halfway?
Yeah.
Okay. And now I guess I pour it in the bowl again. Let's use the. Oh, what if you mix? I think I should wash stuff.
No, use your other one.
Oh yeah, I should
Use the sticks.
Maybe I should mix the pink in actually.
Use all the glue. Take all the glue out. There's
Yeah.
still glue in there.
I'm gonna take all the glue out with this. Man, it's a little green. What if you do a light green? This is getting chunky already. How is it possible it's getting chunky already? I think the science gods have blessed me. Chunkiness. That's all of it. Now I need to add the water, like halfway. 3 mLs?
30.
30, like to the top.
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh.
More. Oh, that's good.
So
Mix.
now I put the pink in. Now see the pink in. Wait, this is supposed to be glow.
I think that's the glow. The white one is the glow.
Really? Oh yeah, what's ooey?
I think
pink-
the glow is the white. The white one you have over there in the corner.
Yeah, the ooey gooey one is the ooey gooey slime. So I wonder how
You can
this.
make it pink and glow. So put the pink and then you can put the glow.
Okay. It's pinkish.
Huh? Mix it.
So do you have to put the glow in at the same time?
I think you do.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the glow on. I guess they're just paint. This is glow paint.
Mm-hmm.
My hands are gonna go tonight. It smells like weird.
Mix it in.
So I guess I gotta make this glow then. This actually looks really pretty, I'm not gonna lie. Let me get the camera. Oh, I hope I don't get slime on the camera. But that looks like a really pretty pink. You can hardly see it, but it's really pretty pink. Yeah, it's pretty pink. Not gonna lie, and I hope this thing doesn't fall like it did her. Good? So now I need to And now we're there. So it's turning to chunkiness. No wait, it's not turning chunky. It's not for blind, but I think I might do a time lapse on whenever I'm doing the stir, cause I need measure. Oh yeah. Why am I so stupid tonight? Okay, so the measuring 5 again. I might do some more. I might use the slime. Say earlier for tomorrow's vlog, cause this slime is really fun. I'm gonna do a challenge. Which, if I mix the 2 slimes, and I'm not gonna mix it 2 times today. But I'm gonna do it tomorrow's vlog. It might get a little a slime activator. Might get a little messy, but it's kind of messy. I guess. I'm missing a pink when I actually use this. I think it'll glow. I'm not too sure.
Add more activator.
We'll see what happens.
Add a little bit more activator.
Maybe a little more activating would help, because
Couple drops.
like a few more drops, because I don't think it.
That's enough.
Maybe this will work, because more slime, because I don't want to use like a millions of it. I'm worse at puns. I'm not good at puns. I don't know how I did that Pac-Man the Ghostly Adventures video to me. I mean, come on. How is it not turning into slime? Maybe I can add more. Maybe a little bit more, because it looks like a white cream. It looks like raspberry. You may see, but I don't think you all can, but it looks like a little bit of raspberry. Yeah, you can see. Looks like a raspberry. Okay, so I think okay, this is turning into slime. Because normally if you do it with the borax or actual slime, it'll turn in 5 hours. I see how there's like a big glob that I can't mix. But I guess I'll do. I'm gonna put a time lapse on, because this thing's just take like forever. I'm just gonna pour it in.
Okay, now mix it up. That's enough. That's enough.
I think I put too much in. I think it'll be good. I think this is a fail. I think it's a slime fail. Oh, the paint spills, of course. But not all. I might show you that later, but most of the paint's gone. Oh no, I put my hand in it. I don't think it's working at all. It just looks like a white sherbet blob. I'm just gonna put a glow on. I don't think this is gonna work, cause it's only doing that one. I think it's only gonna do that. Huh? Maybe put green in there. Green.
Measure the pink.
What?
The pink.
What is this?
You're done.
What?
Okay, we'll start over.
Yeah. But seriously, the paint is right there. Wait, can you see it all? I'll be cute. You really can't see the paint, but it's green and pink. Right? Maybe if I get a little bit more sunlight. No, I don't think this will do any good. Okay, so the pink is not doing good for its age. The pink is only like a few. I think it's working a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm totally putting a time lapse. No, it's working. I'll come back on. Gonna start a new pink. I'm gonna sign. This is gonna be a part 2. Sign back on whenever the pink's done. So, see y'all later. Bye. See you when the pink's done.